Students, we have just watched a video of chapter 5 titled Towards Green Energy. And you have understood that electrical energy generated using fossil fuel, that is coal, petroleum, natural gas, and nuclear fuels like uranium, plutonium, are not environmental friendly, meaning they harm all living organisms. Green energy provides the highest environmental benefit, and it includes power produced by solar, wind, geothermal, biogas, etc. As it comes from natural sources, it does not dispense greenhouse gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, fluorinated gases into the air that contribute to global warming. Now, global warming warms the atmosphere and the surface of the earth. As a result, we are seeing hotter days, rising sea levels, more cyclones, droughts, floods. Oceans are becoming more warmer and acidic, which is a threat to marine life. Green energy helps to reduce our nation's dependence on foreign imports like oil. Students, we will now discuss the answers of questions that are application based. The question reads, give your opinion about whether hydroelectric plants are environment friendly or not. Now, as you know, hydroelectric plants, they give us hydro power. What is hydropower? Electrical energy produced through the power of moving water. The answer is no. Fuel is burnt in hydroelectric plant. So there is no pollution that results from combustion of fuels. But hydroelectric plants are associated with certain problems like rehabilitation of displaced population and submerging of forest and fertile land, adverse effect on living world in water. Now, what is the meaning of the word rehabilitation? Meaning, we have to help people who are displaced. That is, they are forced to leave their houses because their immediate surrounding is under water. Number 3, if the problems of rehabilitation of the displaced people are taken care properly, other problems like submerging of forest and fertile land remains limited to a specific area where the hydroelectric plants are set. That is only around the plant. Other places are safe. Number 4, hydroelectric plants do not cause problems as much as fossil fuels and nuclear fuels. When used, that leads to environmental degradation. Now, nuclear fuels are radioactive substances, namely uranium, and fossil fuels are petroleum, coal, and natural gas. Environmental degradation means harming the environment, increasing pollution, which will have an effect on us. Also, water reservoirs that get used for power generation using hydroelectric plants get replenished during rainy season. Replenish means they get filled back with water, that is the rainwater. Unlike fossil fuels, which are limited, hydroelectric plants can be considered as environmental friendly, that is eco-friendly, as there is no pollution caused. Question 3 reads, energy generation from fossil fuels and nuclear fuels is not environment friendly. Justify. The answer, burning of fossil fuels like coal and natural gas leads to emission of certain gases and soot particles. This causes air pollution. Boys, remember, soot is produced when there is incomplete combustion, that is burning of carbon based material. Incomplete combustion of fuels leads to the formation of carbon monoxide. This affects our health adversely. Incomplete combustion means sufficient oxygen supply is not available. Carbon monoxide is a very, very dangerous product of incomplete combustion, and it has a lot of effect on our health. Burning of fuels leads to increase in the percentage of carbon dioxide in the air. This affects the environment severely, and global warming is a prime example of it. Now, global warming is always associated with carbon dioxide. That is, when there's an increase in carbon dioxide, the rising average temperature of the Earth's climate system, nitrogen dioxide is generated due to burning of fuels like coal, diesel, petrol, etc. This leads to problems like acid rain. Now, nitrogen dioxide mixes with rainwater and comes down as acidic water. Therefore, it is known as acid rain. Soot particles generated due to incomplete burning of fossil fuels causes air pollution. It can lead to problems of respiratory system like asthma. A person suffering from asthma finds it difficult to breathe. There is chest pain, coughing, and wheezing. Wheezing is a sound while breathing, like as though someone is whistling. The disposal of nuclear waste generated from nuclear power plant is a big challenge. The nuclear waste is radioactive and emits harmful radiation. Now, if the radiation emitted are of low level, it is not dangerous. If they are of medium level, they can lead to sickness, headache, vomiting, fever. If the levels are high, they can kill us by causing damage to our internal organs. From the above reason, it is evident that energy generation from fossil fuels and nuclear fuels is not environmental friendly.